Shubor Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulaong, ba udai uba nakinong Ñiah kali ba kena tam habo Kejela. Ya kani uba Dhar ulaong hasngi ba penhap perdai ke jingrakhe dap Sanpo Snem jong ke Meghalaya Government Drivers Welfare Association, kebalalong hasngi sajan ke Neotarik Nopra, hasoso tham auditorium Shillong. Ngaru ngade u driver ke maphi menshwa, hakakarta ke ba khandai Snem ngala Ñiah kali, nganya tang da ke jeep laong uba Dhar. Ulay athu bakat kum ke jingtip jong u uba khna tam ha Meghalaya ban Ñiah kali, udai uba nagashnong umulong uba jukhot it de umako, badhadin sabut sama u. Hakatu kapor banganya jeep mga, habang apoy siya sor ki brio ki khanglut ki dukan ban pet yanga namar kayat tang kakali, ya ubrio pat umyo i ulay athu. Uba Dhar ulay athu shushu ba ula syakem labun sien bah, namar ba Ñiah kali klempat kot hakakarta khat prasnam. Ulaong ru ba uba angat lang Dhar uba dei uhen men jong uru, udai unong Ñiah trok, uba lasdang Ñiah trok hakakarta ke bakat sausnam. Ulay athu ba uba angat lang uba dei wemeli barim ke umroy, nakakam Ñiah trok ula poy syakakam khayi ding, hadia nakakam khayi ding ula kala u kontraktor. Ngampoy perkhat ba uhen men jonga unlong kumba ulong benta, wat ju perkhat ba pidei kinong Ñiah kali pimdei AA, kinong Ñiah kali kide ki brio ki bakrau ula ong shushu. Uba Dhar ulaong balada khot ya u syakani ke jingrakhe kan biang bha, namar utip bha ya kakam driver, uba menta ula kelalong unong sengkam uba krau ke jela, barkum ju hapo kathan syadai lam ingi baro kawai.
Kung ay ka program, kung ka Golden Jubilee jong Driver Association of Meghalaya, mari mi kakten driver ang nomor kentat ang hablik na. Hitib balay, nga daw number 2 ang state of Meghalaya, ubaya kang hidang kerta, kendai Snem kerta. Kadero haka jo kapor, nga daw way ni berubah associate babat ke driver. Kakten driver is my favorite words. Nga dontang driver la jeng ubaya kaliha company juga live spa kendai peprangut. Kadai na kata kada nga sya timro katahi, nga sya ero ro katahi. Tandrai menta kasipat nga dap jeng sokmen hadu kata-kata bagi driver jongi bapli kikan mawi kerteng juga manokung cibuya jogi kublai sibon. Ngai kublai ya barok kebadan hani ngamjit kerteng syuk. Namar kasim ni kepon lobla aslam lepa. Ngai kublai ridu samla ju barwai basong tenap pakasur. And that is the reason people call us the Shillong is the city of joy and the city of music. Kamtam mi ba jalau dokter ngapai man kami YouTube tangi mentang-mentang hamai kublai si bet. Namang ada way ni berubah na bener ki. Ngaso ka jingir ki kada kada way ba. Dai nembe ne. Tengah dia berubah komik ba. Lala ka jong benta jonga. Ta komik itu ja issue I'm very interested. And also I would like to thank our dearest friend from the other states, especially from the North state, who have come such a long way to show that the respect of each other, and this is the spirit of friendship. This is the spirit of friendship. Thank you so much. Your presence here, it shows that our own driver from the state, the association is a very respect to each other, especially with the other friend of the Northeast. Ngai kublero ya pi driver barok mata kasi kamtam hikitu gibel aritayat meninga mur kata kakten aritayat lagi poy huni astik belak temen sudah hane kidang samlaban yang aro. And that is the beauty of government servants. Dang song tight dang samla ngin ay kejingu yo brei pin implement syuk walaupun nang mania kali suruh lebih hek tang ketin utrangi yo jingmut ba ngaso to don katuk anu gipen gipon gibakram chup skating amut balkan handang am repeat show and which is exactly meant for the drivers. Ki driver jongi don ke bentar ki ajimut ingi kum ke politician. Tharai ka officer kum juhi. Pitip kerja aku don ke driver ke kam chalak. Ki jong me bani akali bani politician nong rotu melu bakam nama yong. Tharai kata kal air ki bahan makil angat jelade. Don ki ang bat ani bertau minister usbun demi apa lah. Ki kuat bani akli hota bak pensoy tu meleba. Don bak driver ki bang tu officer sarong pala memlong. And that is one of the message that we can change in our life as your officer. Thank you for that. Bon selvi ponyengi kum politician piong donu emeliu basarong donu emeliu babha donu emeliu babha tang aktenga kam donai ai. You see, sometimes we learn from your appreciations. Sometimes you change us. I'm very appreciate. Who is the close friends of a politicians? Either the officer is the driver, according to me. Kadai ki mo ikong mani di si jongi. Kam tam lay ni jo la man identify u driver bos yu ni babah ni kun jongi. Ki kena ikam tip ba ke jinglong jong driver. Ba ngi lay ngi tir mar bla pi burom pala dengi. Tip ko babah basu dong ba yasar dengi. But we know you, who you are, and you know us, who we are. That is the beauty when we work together. That is the beauty when we work together. Driver is one of the pillars for the officers and whoever may be the businessmen, the politicians. Without you, we are nowhere. We didn't take you as a driver, we take you as our master. If you drive in the wrong way, we are gone. And therefore, we need to get a good drivers. You see, there is a joke in one of the conference in Delhi when I was there. It happened to be in one of the big corporate company, and I was there to meet the MD of that company. And the same day it was interview for driver post. Then when I know, sir, what are you doing? He said, today, sorry, I'm having an interview with the driver. So for to appoint for myself, he said. And I told him, excuse me, then let me go out. I said, no, sir, you sit with me. Just here with us. Ubo kaway kijingkli to driver. Suppose if I appoint you as my driver, what you will do, how you drive a vehicle? And that driver replied, I will try to speed as much as I can. And from that itself, he was disqualified from the interview. So therefore, we need to get a good driver. We need to get a good driver. You know, who is the best driver? The best driver is not the one who drives on the highway. The best driver is always who drives on the rough road. That is always considered the best driver. When you are expert to drive on the rough road, then highway is nothing for you. And therefore, the driver associations of Meghalaya, especially, I'm telling you very much, you really appreciate the founder, who is founder of these associations, and this is the way how we should work. Kajing buram kaliang, kajing wan haka duty, taragi kam ki bae jong himdon bagi ipalat, ni politician bagi ipalat berk officer become higher status. Teng ki bapli tang kaja kami obam, teng ki robon kami obam de titi ya phim kan mau. Sorry for that. Teng bapli ki minyo baje mistep. Kila ebo program bagi kami ko ngaman pra baje khar baje mit ipo ki yasniu sin Decembro. Tanakata teng minister ki wan ya kali bengi kila ado thangyong ngakmat taking mut buni thu bangi yasniu nakadaw jong phi. Driver is very patient, and the beauty is that you always guided us and you never tell us your problem. That is the beauty of a driver. Sometimes bapligit ya spok kali don cakap ya was teng gibam arsen sisi teng gi obam dusin di siru yo hi You see, but you never say, I am not going to perform my duty. And you always protect us. Ki driver kim ju thap ya kanu kim so tunat berukan racuki. That is the beauty of a driver, especially government driver. The pilap lay little bit beyond agenda. The pilap lay driver jonga, si pang la strike, si pang la pambut kutu lop, si pang ngim tresundi ngilak kikelur. But government driver is behaving in such a manner, we are appreciated you. Kitu ki point bakam si esmini baro ngam kerjo. Actually, that is the thing we should talk in front of you. Kumno banlong ban sumari kalek kawan. There is actually no drinking while driving, no smoking while driving, no calling your phone while driving because why it lead to accidents. Because you are the master. If you miss, we will miss all. Nakata kadaw meninga kwak kenang dong adi sadang program ko bahek bahak kuno si junga ngalak cancel. Just because I want to meet you. Nasmo to hakajuk ko pongan transport minister which is linked with your job. Hanay so hon mga aktif ikitu kijing mangjong pi what is your performance unday tang kataga nam association. La bon ikam mabahapile pidon kijing mut pinirap ikitu kupi ang mani. I saw in your few noted point here also you even during the pandemic of COVID also you really contribute to the poor peoples. And the best thing is that you are having an aims and ideas to help your own driver when he is in crisis. And that is the good work you have done. Sometimes driver is, you see, driver has got so many challenges. Time factor, you never get time to spend with your family. And we never complain that the government driver is a bad driver. Hardly once in a billion. Hardly. They never object to their duty. And they never say no to their master. Sometimes when we are sitting nicely in the office, you didn't even have a chair to sit. You are waiting for us the whole day. I'm very sorry for that. I'm very sorry. But we are appreciating you. This is the true heart, the true spirit of our beloved driver, especially in the state of Meghalaya. By calling me to this meeting, at least I can share all of you. We know who you are. Don't think that we have nothing thinkings about you. Especially me, just like I explained to you, I'm having my own driver in my company. They create me lots of problems, but they give me a lot of blessing at the same time. Balay mane uba meral ngasaw man mga uba may bon. Ngasaw man mga yo nga yo iba ko YouTube. Uday way ni kana uba don kasab basotran nga bon ginohikay nga gwen ko no sikang uba may bon to babha brio. Tatang kataga kut na klim detail show. Mako uday bo nga ni tubi nga uday kumadroy me pi uday baram show. Hagerta wa khandai Snem nga yak kali tang nga yak tang gajip. Uway ba yak na ko nga Meghalaya kat ko mga tip kerta barang khandai Snem una umulong. Ngiju khot 8 umako yung semati. Hadin ju yak mga kat ko mga tip. Hatu go por man ya ajib mga nga po sa po sor. Baro ki la mi la khang kan ape du dia nga. Ya tanga kali brum yo i. Nga sa kem la bum sen da. Banga yak within 18 years. Nata terkum to kaya business. Umanga ilang piti ba do hanman jonga bahek do. U exam manager gumroy kontonsi. U driver ba kung tam da bonu ba po san pungut try na janti hak bede bat ka juai bu hati driver truck. Mdeu banang mdeu basta. Udah driver truck batang rit bakarta tu po nang hak saus na memang. Driver truck, nak driver truck, uwan sunong kahiding. Nakanong kahiding sunong uwan so kontraktor. Mentabad hatu kapor. Ngampay berkat bawahan menyolong kumbulong mentah. The what you berkat with the driver is nothing. Driver is great, I'm telling you. Tapi kau you le menik best lah. Uhan menjual. Udah nega life driver life. Ulong mentau business tay kundung kastik kejengi ngenok disberok away. Nakata kadao, what you underestimate LD, you are great man. You are a great man. Ui la ding ai nagkam handyman, nag-driver spare, nag-driver tau ulong kanrat nta. Nakata kadang ngam jo discourage ya kino driver ngam jo niyo ben, ngim jo niyo ben kung sarkaro. Tip pa office nga haka Snem, badunado try prak na sinvan pandonation manay pikini. Tangam jo kling ay balag ay. Mabaling nga song tuk driver ba pligim jo opor balinjoy. Hindi opor, tang ilet pro let meeting release Bombay ng matpek paniyak kaligi kun mo hayeng katar ba pligim mo sutire. So that is the beauty of your duty. Nakaling nga juga ngam kuak kan Snem hira. Ngapan pa uding song komen kajing song ngo. And I wish you all the best come tam ni founder jong maniga associations. And also pass this message from my personal view and thinking. I really bless you. I really appreciate your duty and I really love you. Don't think that driver is nobody. Don't ever think in your mind. Negative mind should not be there always. Always positive mind in your life. Because I have met few friends who is the driver about his son is the MCS officer. It made me proud as your leader. He came to seek help from me. Sir, I'm very sorry. Fortunately, all three sons is yet to appear this exam, this and that. But I have no opportunity. I said, what is your problem? They are going to prepare different stream of post-examination. And after I helped him a lot that time. And after 3 years, he come to me, he thanks me, sir. With the money you helped me, my son is success now. And I feel very proud. Our own peoples, the sons of our government driver is performing such a best post in the state. And even at the same time, I expect you all, you'll be having a good children, good family. They will replace, maybe in your place, they'll become a good officer. Don't lose hope. Don't have a negative mindset. Don't have a negative thinkings. We from the government side, especially our honorable chief minister, who is a man who always at your doorstep to help, to support at any problem that you are facing. And even me, if any problem you face, you can't meet me. I'll try my best at my small capacity. Me, Konkurba, Chief Secretary. We are a family here. We are a family here. You see, I remember a few years back, like how we promote tourism in the state. From the very first time when we promote tourism, especially in Cherry Blossom, all this, that festival, people are criticize us. What government is this? Why they spend money in this, all this festival, this and that, and some of the government employees without salary? When we are doing something as a government, we always plan at the cost of our beloved people. Does not mean if you invest today, you'll get it tomorrow. No. I think all of you are witness now. By investing so much in the tourism sector, the whole world know Meghalaya, especially Shillong. Especially this last month. The whole country asks, who's that Shillong? Bonnie is going there. Icon is going there. Next Tuesday, Brandon is coming. You see, this is the advertise of our beautiful state and our beautiful city. And now, people are coming throwing money, crore rupees every day in our beautiful state. I remember when I was take charge as a transport minister in 2018. After 3 months, I have a review with them. Nahay manager, the one who collect toll in Nongpok. I call him. I told him, just tell me how many tourism in a day who are moving towards Shillong, tourist vehicle. He told me, sir, more or less 7,500, 8,000. Because I'm a businessman myself, automatically I calculate. If 7,000 are every day of tourists flow to Shillong, just take the minimum 5 people in one vehicle. How many? 35,000 people. If per person spend 1,000, it will become 3 crore 50 lakh per day. In 2 by 30, it come 90 crore, 100 crore, more or less. In 2 into 12 months, it come 1,000 crore, 80, 90 crore. That is the money come from outside to invest in our state. That is business. That is one of the opportunity we can bring up economy.